Welcome back to Wanderlux Diaries. If you've ever wanted tech on your side to travel smarter, safer, and more seamlessly, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the ultimate travel tech arsenal. The best apps, the smartest AI tools, and the must-have gadgets every traveler should pack. Let's jump right in. First up, travel apps. These are the digital tools that live right on your phone and quietly remove 80% of the stress that comes with traveling. From finding the cheapest flights and hotels, to tracking expenses, to translating street signs on the go, the right mix of apps can literally turn your phone into your personal travel assistant. Let's start with your wallet's best friend, the deal-finding apps. Travel prices change every hour, and booking at the wrong time can easily cost you hundreds of dollars more than necessary. That's where apps like Hopper, Skyscanner, and Kayak come in. And here's what makes them powerful in 2025. They now use artificial intelligence and predictive algorithms to track billions of flight and hotel prices every single day. Hopper claims to predict price changes with around 95% accuracy based on its historical data. But real-world results vary by route, season, and market conditions. You simply enter your destination, travel dates, and budget, and the app tells you, wait 2 more days, prices are likely to fall by 15%, or it'll say, book now, fares are expected to jump soon. It's not random. It uses machine learning models that analyze past and current airfare trends to forecast price movements. That's the kind of smart insight that used to be reserved for travel agencies and data analysts. But now it fits in your pocket. For hotels and vacation rentals, Hopper can let you freeze a price for a small fee or deposit. If the price drops later, the app credits you the difference, up to a certain limit and subject to availability. Other platforms like Booking.com and Google Travel also integrate predictive analytics, showing you if hotel prices in your area are rising, staying stable, or trending down. So you're not just booking, you're strategizing your spending. Always compare at least 2 apps before you book, Hopper for predictions, and Skyscanner or Google Flights for broader search results. Then set price alerts for your route so you get notified the moment fares drop. And if you're a frequent traveler, turn on price freeze features. They'll hold the current rate for a few days while you decide. That way, you never miss a deal, even if you're still waiting for vacation approval. Next, the AI revolution. These aren't just apps, they're intelligent assistants. They use machine learning, natural language processing, real-time data, and contextual understanding to tailor your travel experience in ways we've never seen before. Number 1 AI tool is the personalized itinerary generation. These tools ask you a few simple questions: travel dates, destination, budget, interests like food markets, photo walks, hidden gems, and then build a full day-by-day plan for you. For example, one AI tool called GuideGeek is an AI-powered travel assistant you can chat with via WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. It can suggest flights, hotels, and experiences using real-time data from integrated sources. Another one, WonderPlan, free to use at the time of writing, promises to craft custom itineraries, pulls accommodation suggestions, and lets you download a PDF of your plan for offline use. And also Trip Planner AI builds instant itineraries, so you don't open dozens of browser tabs. You just input your dates and interests, and it gives you suggestions with timing, routes, budgets. So if you're stuck deciding what to do on day 3 of your trip, just ask. The AI takes your preferences and builds the plan for you. Note that these tools are still evolving. Some have limited accuracy or can hallucinate suggestions that aren't perfectly verified. Always cross-check important bookings, flights, or hotels yourself. Good to download or screenshot your itinerary so you have access offline. Number 2 AI tool is predictive and context-aware tools. Predictive and context-aware AI tools go a step beyond the simple itinerary generator. They take into account your real-time context, location, wearable or phone data, your activity history, the weather, your personal preferences, and then suggest what you should do next. Here's a prime example. The Indiana platform is an academic research project that explores how wearable device data and environmental signals could personalize travel recommendations, but not yet available as a public app. Note that in areas with weak internet or missed sensors, the predictions may be less reliable. It's still in research or early market stage. Expect some rough edges. Number 3 AI tool is visual, map-based, and multimodal assistance. The new frontier is multimodal AI travel assistants, meaning they can process images, maps, camera input plus text prompt, and real-world context. An academic project called MAA, still in research, shows how future map-aware AIs might recognize landmarks from photos and answer spatial questions like, "What's this building?" In practical terms, you take a photo of a street sign or landmark, the AI recognizes it, suggests nearby points of interest, metro lines, or even optimal walking route based on time of day or weather. Note, always double-check route safety or actual public transport viability in lesser-known areas. Now, let's look at must-have travel gadgets. Your smartphone is great, but the right gear elevates your trip to smooth, efficient, and fun. These must-have travel gadgets include: Number 1 is high-capacity portable power bank. You'll be in airports, trains, remote areas. A good travel power bank means your phone, camera, headphones stay charged. Editors list a travel-sized fast-charging bank as an essential. One with USB-C, pass-through charging, and airline-safe capacity is ideal. Number 2 is the Universal Travel Adapter Plus Multi-Port Charger. A dual gadget, a universal plug adapter. So you don't carry multiple adapter bricks plus a charger that can power your phone, laptop, or other gear. An article on travel apps and gadgets notes the importance of one device that supports multiple plug types and USB ports. Number 3 is noise-canceling wireless headphones or earbuds. While on flights, bus rides, airports, noise is everywhere. Editors recommend noise-canceling headphones or top-tier earbuds for uninterrupted rest, calls, or entertainment on the go. Also handy, you can carry a Bluetooth so you don't deal with tangled wires and a compact case for space savings. Number 4 is luggage tracker or smart tag. A smart luggage tracker, Bluetooth plus GPS, gives you peace of mind. While not always in lists, many travelers swear by it. It helps you locate lost or delayed luggage instantly via an app on your phone. Some models, like Tile, with Premium or Samsung Smart Tag 2, can alert you if your bag moves out of range, though sensitivity and range can vary by environment and settings. Some good tracker choices include Apple AirTag, excellent for iPhone users, uses the Apple Find My network, and is very popular for luggage. Tile Pro works with both iOS and Android, strong Bluetooth range, and a good cross-platform choice. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2, best suited for Samsung or Android ecosystem, and has solid features for Android travelers. Number 5 is portable Wi-Fi hotspot or travel router. This keeps you connected when hotel Wi-Fi is weak, unreliable, or congested, and it supports multiple devices at once, which is ideal for families or remote workers. Some models allow you to insert local SIM cards for cheaper, faster mobile data abroad. Some brands to consider include Skyroam Solis, TP-Link M7350, Glocalme G4 Pro. Number 6 is digital luggage scale. This prevents overweight baggage fees by letting you weigh luggage before the airport. Typically battery-powered with simple hooks to lift the luggage and get instant weight. Brands to consider include Hitexity Portable Luggage Scale, Samsonite Digital Luggage Scale, Renfo Travel Scale. Number 7 is travel security gear. Includes portable door alarms or travel locks for hotel rooms or hostels. Protects valuables from theft with RFID blocking wallets or passport holders. Some security gear doubles as luggage locks with TSA-approved keys. Travel security gear brands to consider include Master Lock TSA Luggage Lock, PackSafe RFID Safe Wallet, Osprey Travel Door Alarm. Number 8 is handheld language translator device. Provides instant translation offline in multiple languages. Faster and more accurate than phone apps in areas with poor connectivity. Often supports speech-to-text and text-to-speech functions. Some language translator brands to consider include PocketTalk S, Travis TouchGo, Langogo Genesis, Ely Wearable Translator. These devices provide real-time translation and some support offline mode for key languages. Accuracy varies by language and internet connection. To get the absolute most from all this travel tech, It's not enough to just carry gadgets and apps. You need a smart plan and clear priorities. Here's how to do it like a pro. Plan ahead. Before you leave, make sure every app you'll need is installed, updated, and logged in. Download offline maps, language packs, and travel guides so you're prepared even without internet. Charge all your devices fully, and if possible, test them to make sure they work as expected. Check local power outlets, voltages, and SIM card options for your destination. Prioritize what you really need. It's tempting to bring every gadget you own, but quality beats quantity. Pick 2 to 3 high-impact devices that will actually improve your experience. For example, a good power bank, noise-canceling headphones, and a travel tracker may serve you far better than carrying multiple devices that only complicate your travel. Stay organized on the road. Keep your tech tidy and easy to access. Use one folder on your phone for all travel-related apps, so you're not searching through endless screens. Keep cables, chargers, and adapters in a single pouch or organizer. Consider labeling them or using color-coded cables to save time. Staying organized reduces stress and helps you focus on the adventure. Blend tech with the experience. Remember, gadgets and AI tools are here to enhance your journey, not replace it. Take advantage of your tech for navigation, language help, and capturing memories, but make sure you're also fully present in the moment. Stop for that scenic view. Explore a local market without constantly checking your phone, and use tech to support, not dominate, your adventure. Back up everything. Technology can fail, phones crash, batteries die, apps glitch. Always have backups. Screenshot your flight and hotel confirmations. Carry a fully charged power bank for emergencies. And if you're using devices like cameras or drones, bring extra memory cards and batteries. A little preparation ensures that minor technical hiccup doesn't ruin your trip. Review and adjust daily. Each day of travel may present unexpected challenges, weather changes, delays, or itinerary changes. Finally, don't forget security. Use password managers for app logins, enable two-factor authentication where possible, and consider a VPN when using public Wi-Fi. For devices, enable location tracking or Find My Device features, especially for phones, laptops, or smart trackers. Security and backups go hand in hand to protect your trip from unnecessary headaches. And there you have it. If we've missed any of your personal favorite travel tools or gadgets, drop them in the comment section. We'd love to hear what keeps you traveling smart. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.